Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights into the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of yard marking flags with a focus on the IKAYAS 100 pack marking flags. If you're looking to spruce up your garden or mark out areas for landscaping, this might just be the perfect solution for you. These flags are designed for durability and ease of use. Made from PVC with a steel wire stake, they stand tall at 15 inches, making them highly visible and stable in various weather conditions. Let's talk about what makes these IKAYAS flags stand out from the rest. First off, they come in a vibrant assortment of colors: blue, green, white, and red, which not only make them noticeable, but also add a touch of flair to your garden or lawn. Constructed from polyvinyl chloride, these flags are built to last. The double-sided design ensures they're visible from multiple angles, and the sturdy steel wire keeps them firmly planted in the ground, even in windy conditions. Whether you're marking out newly planted seeds, defining pathways, or simply adding a decorative touch to your outdoor space, these flags are versatile enough to handle it all. They're perfect for everyday gardening tasks or special occasions like Independence Day celebrations. Now, let's compare these flags with a few alternatives on the market. While some may offer similar features, the IKAYAS flags stand out for their competitive pricing without compromising on durability or visual appeal. Let's break it down further. The pros include affordability, robust construction, and a wide range of color options. On the flip side, some users have noted that the durability could be improved over prolonged use, but overall, they remain a solid choice for most gardening needs. In conclusion, if you're searching for reliable yard marking flags that combine functionality with eye-catching design, look no further than the IKAYAS 100 pack marking flags. With their sturdy build and vibrant colors, they're sure to enhance any outdoor project you have in mind. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on these IKAYAS flags today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews and product recommendations.